Well, I officially have a all diesel garage now that the Toyota's finished back there and got those going, and I've got a Liberty with a 2.8 CRD in there, and also the 2006 BRM Jetta, but it sits outside in the winter most of the time. We try not to drive it since we got all the four-wheel drives. The power stroke for pulling them around. But anyways, I've got a clip here of the Toyota getting on the highway up to about 85 mile an hour. It does really well. I'll attach that on the end, but just wanted to say, if there's anything else you guys want to see, just go ahead and write a comment and subscribe, and I'll try show you guys whatever you want to see.